Did it again. So we got oil, gas, service, advanced track, wrench. All that is on. I didn't spin out because I wasn't going fast, but the whole fucking vehicle jerked off. I'm getting fucking sick of this. Fuel level low, really. Back in the park. Shut her down. Look at that little fucking thing right there. Like, what is going on with this truck? Start it back up. Hill assist not available. Okay, I'll wait till I don't fucking die on the highway. We're back in a drive. Put those on. Alright, here we go. Same corner as fucking last time. This is illegal. But I need this fucking truck fixed. Alright, signing out. You guys are gonna get this.